New semester is in full swing, and the library is here to help you with your schoolwork as well as your well-being. Here's our top 5 things you need to know about McGill Library. Number 5. Can't find the resources for your term paper? Ask a librarian. Liaison librarians are subject specialists who can help you find resources on your topic. Chat, email, or text a librarian from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week. Find your subject expert to connect right away here. Number 4. McGill's catalog is your go-to destination for articles, journals, books, ebooks, and more. Access library resources using your McGill email. The library's article chapter scan service is also available if students need materials from another institution. To start browsing the catalog, go to McGill's library homepage. Number 3. University can be stressful. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. The library can help. If you're looking to unwind, browse through the library's health and wellness offerings. McGill students have 24/7 access to some great e-resources including streaming video and audio, coloring books, games, ebooks on health and wellness topics, and digital exhibitions. Number 2. Creating bibliographies, refining research, managing data. The library offers a variety of virtual workshops to help you succeed in the classroom and beyond. Check out the schedule here. Number 1. As McGill's situation continues to evolve in reaction to the pandemic, so does the library's response. Over 2 million books from the library's print collection, including in-copyright materials, are available online for all McGill students, faculty, and staff via the HathiTrust Digital Library's Emergency Temporary Access Service. Learn more about HathiTrust here. For books and other materials not available electronically or through the HathiTrust Emergency Temporary Access Service, users can pick up the items using the library's pickup service. Fill out this form and request up to 10 items per week. Learn more here. Study hubs are reimagined safe spaces on campus that are designed for quiet and individual study. All study hub spaces follow provincial safety guidelines, which include social distancing and thorough cleaning. To learn more about study hubs or to book a spot, check out the informational video on our YouTube channel or follow this link to our website.